Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the status of your lost or stolen VIVO X200 Pro. Okay, so currently I'm on the IMEI.info page, you can see the link right in here. And now in this bar all you need to do is to type your IMEI number of your phone. And now once it's done we need to click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now if you scroll down, in here we have the basic information of our phone. Also we can expand the info, and if you want you can read the full device specification after you click this white button. Okay, but again we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the basic checks free options. And as you can see, the last option is the lost device check. So let's simply click on it. In those bars you need to type the IMEI number, the second IMEI number or the serial number, but it's not necessary. The only one IMEI number will be enough. Okay, so now we can click on check lost/stolen status. Okay, and now as you can see, this device is reported in IMEI.info in the lost/stolen database. Okay, and now if you scroll down again, you'll see information about the phone, such as brand, model, the IMEI number, and below the description, in which circumstances the phone was lost, also the incident date, the price if someone will find it, the contact name, your email, the phone number, is it verified, and is it reported. And as you can see, it's true. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.